we have taken the fight a step further. To hold the leadership accountable. Because Billy didn't create that mono platform for Billy, and they must tell us why. Those who facilitated that Kuda monopolizes everything, gets everything into his hands, must also tell us why. Because we can continue to confront the individuals, but that will not stop the rot in the system. We have pinpointed these individuals, yes, but there are other activities that are happening as we speak everywhere. And this is not just confined to those linked to ZANU-PF. I was reading in the papers that some millions went missing or were abused in a certain political party. So, zviri kwese mapata ya twins. So, hatisi kuzovhara rimwe ziso tichivhura rimwe takatarisa one side. We are not against a party or for a party. We are against corruption in all its forms. So there are no saints here. Saka yekufunga kuti no varege vapedzerane ndozvokwawo. No, hazisi zvokwedu ndezvedu tese, because this rot is affecting all of us. Saka kana tikazvirera muchifunga kuti kwenyu zviri right, hezvoka. Saka, let's come together. There is corruption in councils, rural district councils, where we have a stronghold, a ZANU-PF. There is corruption in urban municipalities, where our sister organization, the MDC, also has a stronghold. Nothing meaningful has been happening on both ends. Those whom we elected to be leaders have turned themselves into looters on either side. So it's a generational cause. It's neither a partisan or a factional cause. So we are going to announce the website that we are erecting to make sure that whenever we get a piece of information regarding corruption that is being committed or has been committed, we'll put it on that website. We are going to announce a WhatsApp number and a hotline number. When a case is reported to ZAC and nothing happens, let us know, because we will not stop to expose the rot. Because even ZAC itself, that's why at one point it was disbanded because it had rotten. Some of you may think that we have to get rid of a certain individual in the party to get rid of corruption. We got rid of Mugabe and corruption didn't stop. Because it is a system well connected. Kunanga kuri kutambisa munyu kurunga matachka. It will not help us in any way.